Dear students, we have already discussed about various synthetic routes for preparing naphthalene. In this session, you are learning about the chemical properties, nothing but various reactions involved with naphthalene. Okay, first of all, let us discuss about the structure of naphthalene first. So, you have already familiar with this structure. So, it is considered as aromatic. The reason behind this aromaticity is because it resembles the similar properties with respect to benzene. That is why it is considered as aromatic. And coming to the reactions, how benzene is shows reactivity. Suppose benzene is there. Benzene is containing more number of electrons, or the system or the benzene system is rich in electrons. Whenever one system or one ring system is rich in electrons, definitely it will be acting as a base or a nucleophile. So definitely it is more prone or more loving towards the electrophiles. That is the reason benzene system is always undergoes with electrophilic substitution reactions. Similar way, naphthalene, as it is aromatic, as it contains one benzene ring, naphthalene also undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Okay, so during the nomenclature of naphthalene, I have told you these carbons are denoted as alpha and these carbons are denoted with beta. So, why I am telling this? Because the orientation is bit complicated in case of naphthalene ring system, because it contains two rings. You can see here first ring, one ring and two rings. So two rings are present in this. That's the reason if you add some particular reagent, whether the electrophile will come and attack in the alpha position or beta position, we don't know. So we have to see which orientation is giving more stable products or more resonating structures. So based on that evidence, we can write the reactions, or we can understand the reactions why only in that particular position it is been attached. So let us discuss about various evidences or various orientations of alpha attack or it's a first position. Okay. So whether the electrophile will come and attach at first position or second position, let us see. And second position means nothing but beta attack. So what will happen in this electrophilic substitution reactions? The hydrogen present in the ring system will be displaced. Hydrogen will be displaced as hydronium ion. Okay, these are the basic or the important points to be remembered while writing the chemical reactions for naphthalene. Let's see the orientations. As I told you, alpha attack is possible and beta attack is possible. So let's discuss one by one. So first, draw the structure of naphthalene. So when you say alpha attack, it's nothing but the attack will take place in the first position by the reagent. So let us use a reagent Hy. So what will happen? So initially the hydrogen is displaced as hydronium ion. So from this the electrons are coming out and this carbon will get positive charge and one carbon will be acting as nucleophile where the reagent comes and attaches over here. Okay, this is the first resonating structure. So whenever the resonating structures are possible, whenever there is movement of positive charge, whenever there is movement of electrons. So to nullify this positive charge, the electrons are moving. So we can also write the same structure. Suppose if this electrons are moving to this carbon, carbon, then here we will get positive charge, right? So we can also write this in this form, and this carbon will get positive charge. As usual, the reagent is present at alpha position only. Okay, so this is another structure. We can also give other two more structures. See, from this structure you can also write one more. So this structure can also be written in this way. You can see the bonds have just migrated, that's all. The second ring is same. The benzene ring inside the bonds got migrated or just interchanged their position. That means one more resonating structure here. Here as usual the positive charge. Same way from this also you can represent this as structure number 3. Okay, and from this also one more resonating structure we can write by interchanging the bond, or by movement of electrons one more resonating structure is possible. Okay, this way again same. This is as usual same. Positive charge is written here and the reagent hydrogen displacement. Okay, these are the 4 resonating structures which have occurred due to the attack at alpha position or the first position. Let us see the various structures or resonating structures formed by beta attack or the second position. So what will happen? The one possibility is, see, this is the structure of naphthalene and the reagent is HY. So what will happen? The attack should happen. So suppose, see, this is first, second, 3, 4th positions. Okay, this is the second position or beta attack. That means the reagent has to come here. Okay, and it will get positive charge. So H and Y have come here. Okay, this bond is as usual. Again, the same structure, so represented as structure number 1. Same structure can also be written in this way by the resonance involved in the first ring. If the bonds are moving this side, so what will happen? Bonds here, here, and this same structure or same kind of notation will be given here. So from here, is there any structure is possible? Suppose this bond is moving here, again here. But what happens? You always have to remember that whenever there are resonating structures, the benzene ring should be retained. First important point, or the sextate configuration. That means 3 bonds in this configuration or the benzene ring should be the same. Then only it will give positive or stable compounds or stable isomers. If the benzene ring, the bonds from 3 bonds to 2 bonds have come, that is not a stable resonating structure. It is a less stable or unstable structure. So we have to consider the structures like these structures as stable isomers. Now you see, in the alpha attack we have got 4 resonating structures. In the beta attack we have 2 resonating structures. So by this we can understand, or we have an evidence that the preferable position or the stable resonating structures are only forming at alpha position or the first position, only with 2 exceptions. Means in all the reactions the reagent will come and attach at alpha position, except in 2 situations, that is sulfonation reaction at higher temperatures, That is the first case or first exception, and the second exception is Friedel-Crafts reaction. In case of Friedel-Crafts reaction also we will get 2 isomers. Remaining all reactions will take place at the alpha position of the naphthalene. Okay, this is all about orientation.